Do you want to learn keyword research? Well, here's 7 best keyword research courses online, free plus paid. First course, Keyword Research, Finding Top-Ranking Keywords Easily, by Udemy. This course is for all levels. Here you will learn regarding organic traffic and exposure by mastering keyword research. Topics covered in this course are: Introduction and Overview. The key is in the words: initial brainstorming, digging deeper, expanding your keyword list, creating your keywords, your final list of keywords, using your money-making keywords. After getting enrolled, you will learn to find money-making keywords that are easy to rank in the first page of Google. You will understand different types of keywords and which ones to go after. You can learn the target market and optimize for keywords. This course is for all levels, including website owners, bloggers, and freelancers. Second course, Keyword Research, Free Backlinks, Improve SEO Longtail Pro by Udemy. To know about SEO audit, click on the I button. This course is for all levels. This course provides keyword research service. Topics covered in this course: keyword brainstorming, keyword research tools, analyzing and implementing keywords. This course will help you in learning everything that Longtail Pro has to offer from AZ. You can learn keyword optimization, meta descriptions, social media bios, article content, and more. Under this course you will learn how to find endless keywords. In this course you will learn top-rated keywords research software online. In this course you will also learn high-quality backlinks. This course is for all levels, including bloggers to business owners, marketers to webmasters, people or agencies interested in managing keywords. Third course, Keyword Research, The Complete Pro Guide AZ, plus free tools Udemy. This course is for all levels and focuses on finding competition keywords, Longtail Pro, and free tools. Topics covered in this course are: Keyword Research Basics, SEO, and Keywords, Finding Keywords, Other Places to Find Keywords, Keyword Research Demo, KW Competition, and Prepping KW Research for Sorting. This course will help you in learning what keywords are and how to utilize them. You will learn ways to easily navigate and use Google KW Planner tools. You will know about profitable keywords. You will have a greater understanding of how to find low competition keywords that can be ranked in 60 to 90 days. You will learn how to sort and organize keywords like a pro. This course is for all levels, including bloggers, online business owners, digital marketers, small business owners, SEO specialists, and experts, authors. Fourth course, Keyword Research for Social Media by Udemy. This course focuses on social media keyword research and hashtag research tools and tips. Topics covered in this course are: what is keyword research? Who needs social media KW research? Its benefits, basics of social media KW research, strategy, finding keywords for social media platforms. This course will help you in understanding why keyword research is important in social media marketing. You will learn the benefits of hashtags. You will learn ways to use each social network. You can learn keyword research for social media networking sites. You will learn ways of choosing the right keyword. You will learn how to use social media research tools. Fifth course, Optimizing Your Website's Keywords and Pages using Ubersuggest by CourseAvatar. This course is for intermediate. It intends to provide keyword search volume, keyword optimization, and monitoring keyword ranks. You can learn about website content, keyword optimization, and SEO. You will learn to select and monitor relevant keywords. You can learn hands-on experience in an interview. You can develop skills like keyword search volume, keywords optimization, and keywords ranks monitoring skills. Sixth course, Keyword Research course by Moz Academy. This free keyword research course is offered by Moz Academy. This keyword research course takes 85 minutes to complete. Topics covered in this course are: comparing different keywords, large list of keywords, scaling keywords, keyword rank positions. You will learn to compare different keywords in order to find the best one. You will learn how to create a large list of keywords and how to organize them. You will learn the scaling of the keyword list. Seventh course, Keyword Research by Semrush Academy. In this course you will learn the basics of keyword research. Topics covered in this course are: Introduction to Keyword Research, Understanding the Business, Clear Intent, Create a Keyword List, Semrush Tools, Not Provided Keywords, Check Your Competitors, Create Content. You will learn what keyword research is, you will learn how to start your keyword research process, you will learn which keyword research can bring you fast and long-term results, you will learn how to use keyword research tools, you will also learn to conduct solid keyword research. Links of all courses are given in the description box. Click on subscribe button to get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.